You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, originally from French, and there are different spellings for it, but let's go through the French pronunciation and how it's pronounced in English. If you want to learn more French pronunciation, stay tuned. Thibaut is the French pronunciation. T-H-I, the H is silent, so don't worry about it. T-H is pronounced like a T in French, so Thibaut. The T at the end of beau is silent. A-U form the sound O in French. It's just a different way of writing it, so Thibaut. Now, some may say in English as Thibaut or Thibaut. In French, no stress on any of the two syllables. It's just Thibaut with the same weight on each syllable. So Thibaut, Thibaut, fine. Thibaut is the French pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.